Rajya Sabha with amendments.
Item number 10, Sri Pradhan Barua.
Sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English version of statement showing final action taken by the government on the report of the committee on a statement as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Item number 11, Sri Vaijan Panda.
Sir, I rise to present the English and Hindi versions of the following 4 reports of the Committee on Public Undertakings. First, the 9th report on comprehensive examination of IFCI Limited. Then the 10th report on audit-based examination of design and development in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, based on Chapter 2 of the C&AG report, number 18 of 2023. Third, the 11th report on audit-based examination of reviewing timely submission of action taken notes on C&AG, paras and reports by the ministries and departments. And finally, the 12th report on comprehensive examination of IREL India Limited.
Item number 11, Sri Itela Rajender. No.
Adhyaksh Mahoday, I raise to present the first report, Hindi and English versions of the Joint Committee of Officers of Profit, 18th Lok Sabha, as listed against my name at serial number 12 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Item number 13, Sri P.P. Chaudhary ji.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each of the following reports, English and Hindi, of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. 145th report on demand for grants, 2025-26 of the Department of Personnel and Training. 146th report on demand for grant, 2025-26 of the Department of the Administrative Reform and Public Grievances and Pension and Pensioners' Welfare. 147th report on demand for grant 2025-26 of the Department of Justice. 148th report on demand for grant 2025-26 of the Department of Legal Affairs. 149th report on demand for grant 2025-26 of the Legislative Department. 150th report on the action taken on 141st report of the Committee on the subject Judicial Infrastructure in the Northeastern States of India. And 151 report on the action taken on 143rd report of the Committee on the subject Review of the Working of the Legal Aid under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. Dhanyavad.
Item number 14, Sri Suresh Gopi.
Thank you, respected Speaker, sir. With your kind permission, I rise to make the following statements mentioned against my name at serial number 14 in today's revised list of business regarding 1. The status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 326th report of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on role of Indian missions globally for the growth of tourism in India, pertaining to the Ministry of Tourism. And 2. The status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 347th report of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in 326th report of the Committee on role of Indian missions globally for the growth of tourism in India, pertaining to the Ministry of Tourism. Thank you.